Hey everybody, you just got personally invited to Real Fit Hacks. That's the name of the channel. If you just push all one word, Real Fit Hacks in YouTube, it comes up. But today, I just got finished with a live stream and I'm starving. So I just want to show you a quick meal because that's what I'm doing. This is actually what I'm doing. I'm not trying to make money off anything that I'm doing. Not yet anyway. Maybe one day if I start doing some personalized coaching, because that takes time and time is money. It's the most valuable asset. But for instance, this is 289 grams of sweet potatoes. This is 11 or 12 egg whites and 2 eggs. It's a little bit different than what we normally eat, but this is just one of my favorite breakfasts that I feel like you should know about before you go over to the channel and subscribe and not watch the videos. If you're not into this kind of stuff, the real fit hacks, the real stuff that works, please don't go, because the worst thing you can do to me is go over there and not watch the videos. Click on them and then not watch. If you would just do me one solid and click on the video, watch it all the way through, leave a comment and hit the like button. I really want to make this, I really want to do this right, and I don't want people just to go over there just because of whatever other reason. I really want people that are going to stick with it and do it, because I want to see some success stories, because I'm one of those success stories. I know I have a lot to offer, but this, guys, it is really, really hard not to eat this whole thing, because I have a crazy appetite. That's why I have to weigh my food if I really want to get shredded. And this is, like I said, that's breakfast. I am going to use a little bit of syrup. This was sent to me by a community member. And I'm not weighing my syrup, but I know about what 15 milliliters looks like because I've been doing it so long. That's something you'll pick up on as well. And I'm also going to add cinnamon. Okay? Remember, cinnamon mitigates carbohydrates, and you can use all you want. Diabetics should eat it every day. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a personal trainer. I'm just a friend that's trying to help another friend get in the best shape of their life. I would love to see what you guys look like before and after. You can send those pictures in if you want to. I'd never share them, but I want to encourage you. And you're going to hear me talk about this a lot. Go ahead and take some fat pictures, some good, I mean some good ones, like sad face, push your belly out, grab the fat, take some really good ones, because you're going to want to reflect back on that as these changes start to take place in your life. You're going to have to reflect back on what you used to look like, and it'll give you motivation to keep going. So this is just an invite video. I'm going to make it unlisted, and I'm going to invite you, Ninja Nation, to the channel to take part in your transformation, your recomp, your this is it. This is your invitation, guys. So have an awesome, awesome day. Check out the channel. Let me know. Remember, like, watch the whole video, comment. I want to be there for you guys, but you got to be there for me. Thanks, guys. Later.